In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple pages in Canva, a skill that can streamline your design projects and enhance your creativity. Whether you're putting together a multi-page presentation, a stylish ebook, or an engaging social media campaign, knowing how to efficiently manage pages in Canva can save you a ton of time. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have a design open that you'd like to work on. Now, one of the easiest and quickest ways to navigate through your design is to use the grid view. To access this feature, look at the lower right corner of your Canva screen. You'll notice an icon that looks like a grid or a checkerboard. Click on this grid view icon. What this does is it transforms your editor into a neat overview of all your pages, showing thumbnails of each design page at a glance. This feature is tremendously helpful for editing and organizing your designs, especially when dealing with extensive projects. Once you are in grid view, adding new pages becomes straightforward. You'll see a small plus icon next to the current pages in your design file. Simply click on this plus icon to add a new page. Canva will immediately create a new blank page and place it at the end of your current design. If you wish to add more than one page, you can just keep clicking that plus icon repeatedly until you have the desired number of pages. Adding multiple pages in this manner is seamless because Canva automatically organizes these new pages into your existing design layout. Each new page is ready for your creativity, whether you're importing images, inserting text, or adding any of Canva's numerous elements and templates. If you're working on a presentation or a booklet and need each page to follow a similar style, consider copying an existing page instead of starting from scratch each time. You can do this by hovering over the page thumbnail you'd like to duplicate while in grid view, and a duplicate page option will appear. Click on this to create a copy, ensuring a consistent look and feel throughout your project. To recap, using the grid view and repeatedly clicking the plus icon not only helps in organization, but also provides a bird's eye view of your entire project. This can be incredibly useful when you're deep into complex designs and want to maintain an overview of your work as it progresses. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to handle multiple pages in Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.